Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jame, this is my jam. I am sorry, I am already in my pajamas, but something just came, and I am so beyond excited that I wanted to share it with everybody. Give you a hint as to what it might be. And so I decided to purchase something, and I wish it was a Fendi bagette. It's not, but this is something that I'm going to love just about as much. It is a true unboxing. I just opened up the sides. It comes in a box like this, and open it up, and it says Marc Jacobs. No surprise there, right? Oh, there's one more of my bags missing from up there. I just looked. It's this beauty that's a little out of shape right now. Let me fix that up. There you go. It's this one. I'm just going to set that off to the side here because I was all excited when actually this bag came out. I wanted a lavender bag, and I thought it was really pretty. Chanel had some lavenders out, and I thought they were beautiful, and so I wanted something lavender, which I got. But I don't know if you guys are keeping up. On the Marc Jacobs website or not, but I'll admit, when I got this one, it was not quite as the lavender I was hoping. It was a little more pinky than I had wanted. I wanted something a little cooler with a little more of a blue tone to it. And I've been holding off on getting any other Marc Jacobs. As you see, I have 3 canvas, 3 leathers. I thought that should be good for now. It's got to really be a special color. And they came out with a really pretty rust colored one I almost got, but my Dior is that color. And they came out with a more green teal than that one, which I absolutely adore. And it's been taking everything I have not to purchase that one. And I'm not saying that it's not coming. But, I couldn't deny this. This is the new Marc Jacobs mini tote in the color, is it Daybreak? I think it's called. But it's here, and I'll compare it to this one. You can see difference here. Much warmer toned here, much cooler here. So this one, here it is. Again, this is the mini. Here's that. And the letters in this one are in like a lighter lavender. There's the side. I'm not going to undo it all for you now because this is just a quick unboxing because I'm so excited. So here's this. Here's the feet. This is coming up very true to color on the camera. I don't know if other people are trying to make the decision as to whether or not to get this. I definitely think it's different enough to warrant it. Let's see. I'm just going to open it up quick. Comes with its Marc Jacobs bag with the Marc Jacobs all over it. And then this one comes with, it doesn't come with a black strap. It comes with the leather strap. And the leather matches the bag. I don't know if you've been out to the website, but not only do they have this divine color, which is the lavender of my dreams, and they have the pretty teal one and the rust colored one, but they just came out with a gray as well. That's another one that maybe it'll be on my Christmas wish list or something. I love it, but I love this. Sorry, I'm not on camera. I'm so excited. Bag. So here we have it again, just to show the difference. Here is the original one that came out in lavender, and here is the new one. So they look so different. This baby really, I gotta get an organizer or something for this. It's always full when I use it. So yeah, really different. This is what I was hoping for. And I remember when the pictures originally came out for this, it did look closer to this. it was this, but it looked a little darker, maybe because of how they photographed it versus this. Oh, this, she is my dream bag in the Marc Jacobs totes. So there you have it. Let's see, it's got a tag on it. I forgot how much this was. I want to say $3.95 maybe. Or was it $3.75? $3.75. I got it directly, as you saw, from Marc Jacobs, and came pretty quickly. I would say it came within about a week's time. And yeah, I've shown these before, so I won't go on about this. It's just to do a quick unboxing. And I know a lot of people are interested in the color. It's a Daybreak Twilight. I think it's Daybreak. I'll put it in the description box down below. So I just wanted to show other people if they were thinking about it before it maybe sells out or something. This is gorgeous. Just a really pretty blue lavender. So, yeah, there you have it. Just a nice short one from me today. I was just so excited. Like I said, I'm in my PJs, but I had to show it. I had to take it out. So thank you so much for watching. Appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. It'd be great. We'd love to have you here. We, as in me and the community, I like to really like to interact in the comments with everybody, and appreciate you being here. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays, sometimes in between, but mainly those 2 days I try to always post. And yeah, just thanks again so much for being here, and please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.